Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can fix if your Dell keyboard is not working. So it's super simple. What you need to do, under accounts, you're gonna have ease of access, and there you're gonna have keyboard, and in a keyboard you're gonna use filter keys. And that's what you want to do, and you want to switch it off. So if it's going to be on, you want to switch it off, and that's how you're gonna fix the issue. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you at least a little bit how to do it, and thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.